Hi everyone, welcome back to your English speaking class. I'm so proud of you being here. Always try to speak in English whenever you're doing your daily activities like cooking, cleaning, walking, driving. Even simple sentences like I'm picking up a spoon, I'm drinking water, I'm walking in the park, the glass is in my hand, I'm opening the door. Try this powerful trick. Talk to yourself in English. Mix English words and sentences into your daily language too. The more you use it, the faster it becomes natural. And don't forget to focus more on speaking than on grammar. So let's begin with our today's class. Let's talk about the bank today and the English you can use there. We will learn simple sentences you can say when you go to the bank. Listen carefully and try to repeat each sentence with me. Ready? Let's begin. A visit to the bank. Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you today? I want to open a new bank account. Sure. Which type of account would you like to open? A savings account, please. Do you have all the required documents with you? Yes, I have my ID and address proof. You will also need two passport size photos. I have them here. Please fill out this account opening form. Where should I sit and fill it? You can use that desk over there. Thank you. Do I need to fill in all the details? Yes, please fill every section and sign at the bottom. Okay, I'll do that now. Take your time. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm not sure about the nominee section. The nominee is the person who will receive the money if something happens to you. Oh, I see. I'll write my brother's name. That's fine. Have you completed the form? Yes, here it is. Thank you. Now you need to deposit a minimum balance of 1000 rupees. Can I deposit by cash? Yes, please go to the cash deposit counter. Where is that counter? It's the third window on your right. Okay, thank you. Hello, how can I help you? I want to deposit 1000 rupees for my new account. Please fill this deposit slip. Where is the pen? There's a pen on the counter. Here's the slip and the cash. Thank you. Here's your receipt. Thanks. What should I do next? Please give this receipt back to the account opening desk. Okay, here's the receipt. Thank you. Your account will be active within 24 hours. That's great. Can I also apply for an ATM card? Yes. Would you like to apply now? Yes, please. Fill this ATM request form. Do I need to pay any extra charges? No, it's free with your savings account. How long will it take to get the card? Around 7 to 10 working days. Okay, can I also get net banking? Yes, I'll register you now. You will get your login details by SMS. That's very convenient. Do you need help with anything else today? Yes, I want to update my passbook. Please go to the passbook printing counter. Do I need to stand in line? Yes, please wait for your turn. Alright, thank you. Please give me your passbook. Here it is. It's updated now. Thank you. I also need to withdraw some cash. You can do that at the withdrawal counter or ATM. I'll do it at the counter. Please fill this withdrawal slip. Do I need to show my ID? Yes, for amounts over 10,000 rupees. I'm withdrawing 5,000 rupees, so I don't think ID is needed, right? Correct. Just sign the slip. Here's the slip. Here's your cash. Please count it. Yes, it's correct. Thank you. You're welcome. I also have a check to deposit. Please fill the check deposit form. Do I need to write my account number? Yes, and sign at the bottom. Here's the form and the check. Thank you. The amount will be credited in 2 to 3 days. Okay, one last thing. I want to make a fixed deposit. Please go to the FD section. Hello, how can I help you? I want to make a fixed deposit of 50,000 rupees. For how long? For 1 year. The interest rate is 6.5% per year. That's fine. Please fill this FD form and sign here. Done. Here's your FD receipt. Keep it safe. Thank you. You have been very helpful. You're welcome. Anything else? No, that's all. What time does the bank close? The bank closes at 4 p.m. Okay, I'll come again if needed. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. So, friends, that's all for today's topic about the bank and daily work in the bank. I hope you learned some new English words and sentences today. Please remember, learning English is easy if you practice every day. If you like this lesson, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will share more simple and useful English lessons with you soon. Take care, have a great day, and see you next time.